Hi, Jan.
Hey, I've been fascinated by this whole setup you have here with this nice awning and all these chairs. It's shade.
Shade in this Florida state. I'm from Missouri and it's hot here. It's cold there. I'm Lenny. This is Rosie. And we are the Campfire Girls.
Campfire Girls, Lenny and Rosie. I'll put a link to her channel below. What all do you do on your channel? Tell us about it.
We do meetups. We do about everything on our channel. I have a live stream on Wednesday nights. My van is a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. And it had 42,000 miles on it when I bought it. I did try to trade it in for a ProMaster this year. I put the seats back in and all that, and it was too big for me to get in and out of because I am disabled. This is Van Halen, which is what her name is, how I get into my van without using my knees.
Yes, let's.
Okay, and it might look funny, but this is how I do it. So I got this little step ladder, and I just step on this, and I use my handle and this handle, and I step up, 1 foot in, and I grab. This is a new build for me because I am disabled, and I had everything set up. This was a whole wall, and a kitchen for the back, you know, for camping and all that. But I tell you what, I got really tired of it because I had to get in and out, and it really hurt my knee and my foot. So I said, I can't do that. I don't want to do that. So I downsized everything. And when I put my seats back in, I was sitting in this seat, and I said, you know what? And I started visualizing this build, and I said, I think I can make this work. And I didn't really want to get rid of her because it is easier to get in and out of if you're disabled.
Yes.
And when I did test drive a ProMaster that was almost completely done. I couldn't hardly get in and out of it.
That was my problem too.
Yeah.
I understand. Yep.
And I thought, you know what? I'm going to fall out of this and hurt myself worse than I'm already hurt. So I chose to keep Van Halen. This little table used to be a whole table that was back here. So my boyfriend's name is Kirby, and he cut it down. It's just wood, and see how he's got screwed to the screws in the stowaway down here. My AC 180 is sitting down in the hole. It is charged. Right here, the cord comes up, and I have a 200-watt solar panel on the top to charge it. My spices, my little mini cooker. This is an extension plug-in. I can use it for when I'm got electric at a campground, or I got it plugged into the AC 180. This is Rosie's throne. Her bed goes right up here when we're on the road.
Aww.
And then her seat belt is right here.
Yeah, they gotta have seat belts.
She's belted in, and she's right by me. And then when we're set up or down, you know, camping, whatever, at a meetup like I am, I can put my stuff on it that I need up here, like my coffee maker.
Surface.
My coffee maker, this is my coffee bar.
And what kind of coffee maker is that?
Isn't that neat? It
What
just
is it?
does this one mug. It's a light gourmet.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. It don't hardly use any power.
Now, is it a K-cup? I can't tell from there, or is it just a filter?
It could do either one. I'm going to put that for my coffee maker. And then this, I set my States board I made. It's upside down. But I'll set it here to cook on.
Right.
And I cooked in it for the first time the other night. And I got my little mini cooker out. And I made me a ribeye steak burger and sweet potatoes and cottage cheese. And I was just I did a little video on it. I was so tickled. First time I'm cooking in Van Halen.
Cool.
So it was fun. But then this is my states board.
Ah, yeah.
And these are all the states I've been to so far. Now, I get to put in Mississippi and Alabama because I drove down this way to get to Florida this year. It's simple. All this is a cutting board from Walmart.
Right.
It was like $13, $14. And the map itself with the stickers, and it's all stickers, was from Amazon.
And that works perfect for cooking. It's right by the door, so you get a little bit of extra ventilation. Because so many people love this, having that chair up. Try it for a while before you get your mind set on it, because, like I said, someone like me, I have trouble jumping up out of it because it's so deep down in there and so far back.
But if you got that,
Yeah, that might have helped. But I need the room.
you need the room
I
because
need
you
the
got
room.
all the power.
I've got
You
power.
got the power.
Yeah, I've got shelves there with power.
And you need that. You need power more than you need anything else.
Yeah, and my bed is a chair. I mean, it's a recliner too because it comes up.
Yeah,
Yeah, the back comes up.
that's true.
Yeah, it's
You
also
do
a
have-
recliner.
yeah, so you really don't need that chair.
Your refrigerator.
Oh, it's a fridge and a freezer. I'm just using it as a refrigerator. That's all refrigerator. This is my favorite thing ever. I just love it at night. It is beautiful in here, and any light that, like, if she's got her lights on, it's just beautiful. Or the moon or the sun coming up. It's like stained glass.
Yes.
And, it wasn't hard to do. I did a video on it. If you want to watch my video.
Mm-hmm.
These two big windows have been on since last year.
Did you build a floor onto it to level it, or you just use it like it is?
Like I said, Kirby made the legs to where it's level.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just, I got my rug. I got this rug, and then I actually use these rugs a lot when I'm getting in and out.
Right.
To catch the dirt.
Yep.
And they're very soft. At night, I like them on my feet, you know.
Yes.
And I usually try to leave my shoes outside if it's not raining.
Neat.
There's my potty. The only thing I use in mine, it's actually clean.
All right. Thank you.
There it is.
Yeah.
I use the biodegradable bags.
Yes.
And I use 2 of the bedpan liners.
Yes.
And
Those
then-
paper right there. That's like a very thick paper towel, and it turns into gel.
Yeah.
It solidifies
well, and I
everything.
got 2 poo gels in there too.
Yeah.
So I can use it at about 4 or 5 times before I've got to take it out.
Right.
But I try not to do more than 4 times, and that's just number 1. If I do a number 2, then I take it out pretty
Right
much
away,
immediately. This pillow, and got the pillow thing from you.
Yeah.
This holds my towels,
Right.
and underneath here is my toilet paper and my wipes.
Yeah.
And then there's my radio.
Right.
Here's my window coverings.
Got it all.
Underneath my bed is my skillet. It's a dry box I got right here that has Rosie's food in it. This one, my Rosie pillow, and she cute.
Oh, that's
my baby.
adorable.
This pillow holds my shower curtains that I put around my canopy,
Right.
and I've got 4 of them that I can hang and make a room. Well, I was doing carnivore, and all you need is meat and eggs and cheese. I did that. I've met some ladies that have done it, and they've lost a lot of weight, but they've also lost their inflammation doing carnivore, and it does work. But I've added blueberries. I'm hooked on cottage cheese and blueberries. Sometimes I'll do a salad.
Well, you're part-time, so you're not going to be cooking. I noticed you had some food already prepped in there.
Yeah, I did a lot of prep, so I can just either heat it in this or
Yeah, the
this.
Hot Logic,
Yes.
right.
And most of them I made for the Hot Logic. And it's just foil, hamburger patty, potatoes, corn, onions, carrots, ketchup. So I made them without the potatoes.
So is that an actual Hot Logic brand, or is that another brand?
No, it's not. It is another brand. Two Hood.
Spelled how?
Tuhood. It has both a 12 volt and an AC plug.
Yes,
you
those
can
are
use
nice.
either or. So, and
good.
it works great. And I'm
Doesn't
sorry.
use a lot of electricity, and with the 12 volt, you could do it while you're driving.
Yeah. I would recommend these and pre-cooking if you're not full time.
If you cook it all day, you can cook all kinds of things in there if you're
Yeah.
traveling.
Yeah, and then I've got a little under here also. I've got my little stove. I've got a 1 burner butane or propane.
Okay, a dual fuel,
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah, little cook stove.
Right.
I've got little lights. I got my little bling bling lights on here.
Yeah.
I can use at night, and that makes the windows look beautiful. This is my shower. This is the flooring I would use. This is a power source, USB,
Yes.
and you plug the hose into it. You put it down in the bottom of the pan
Right.
of the water, and I'll warm the water up in this.
Yeah, you plug it in, and it has a pump, and it draws it up through this, and you have a shower.
Yeah. That's my shower. And then my water here, my kitchen, whatever, sink, I store this in my front seat floorboard when I'm driving. And then
Nice.
this all goes in this storage under here, which I'll show you. It's an EB55.
Okay.
I use it for my TV and my DVD player. This is my closet that Kirby built me. I kept trying to find shelving. That's my like shower bags. This is my bowls, my plates. This is other containers, trash bags, foil. Underneath my bed is Rosie's. I got another lawn chair stuck in there. Under here, oh my gosh, I've got so much stuff. I've got this thing. That's my electrical cords. This is full of bungees, batteries,
that's your garage right
propane.
there.
Yeah, there's my garage. I've got 2 bags full of clothes. That's all my clothes. I reach in from my bed and pull it out.
Butterfly tribe.
Come here.
Yeah.
I got one here too. I got 2, baby.
Oh, you do, you do.
And we were going to that meetup in Missouri.
Yeah.
And I had a friend following me, and I got behind this van, and I loved the van. And then I saw the butterfly sticker. So I said, I bet I know where she's going. And we ended up parking real close to each other.
It's a network all over the whole United States.
I love this community. I mean, it just gives me...
all over the whole United States.
It gives me...
and Canada.
It gives me something to do. I mean, it gives me something to feel a part of.
Yes, be part of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I want to thank you so much for this tour.
You're so
We're going to
welcome,
put a
as I
link
carry
below to your channel.
It's an honor to meet you.
Oh, it's an honor to meet you.
Yeah, you're a sweetheart.
I'll be seeing you at more meetups, I'm sure. Seeing you
hope.
here, there, and everywhere, because that's the way it works. These meetups are great.
Yeah, I just love it. I love the community. It's so awesome. There's just nothing
I'll put
else
a
you
link
can...
below to the Facebook page also. And all the
Thank
meetups
you.
are there, and your meetups will be on the
Yes.
Butterfly Tribe
Yes.
Women Who Camp Facebook
And Butterfly
page.
first, and then a Campfire Girls. I mean,
Yeah.
I learned to do all this through butterfly tracks. So,
Yeah.
you know.
Oh, sweet.
You know, the beginning of van life, I think I was on my knees a little bit too much too. You know, when you're going through your first builds and you use your knees, and you should never use your knees. Never.
Never, never.
Never use your
Appreciate
knees.
your knees while they still work.
Exactly. The whole thing is that I could not barely get in. How am I going to get out of this thing? You
So
know?
you didn't have a leg to stand on.
No, I did not.
You
I
didn't
did
have a leg
not
to stand
have a leg to stand.
You couldn't have sued anybody, could you?
Dang it. That's
So-
a good one. I like that. So anyway, I thought, okay, this is not going to work.
Me too.
I could not get in and out of it, you know.
You know, I suppose a person who needed to, and if I'm sure a person with a wheelchair would have a lift to get in.
Don't let it stop you, because there's a way. There's a
what
way
would
to
you
do
tell
this,
people
girls.
that are...
Exactly what you said. Don't sit in your recliner. That's what I was doing. You know, because I put my feet up, and when I'm not doing this, that's what I'm doing. I'm sitting mostly in that recliner because I can't walk. You know, I can't go do a lot of things, and I got her, so I mean, I take her out and do, you know, I know my limit on my walking.
Right, you can walk, you just have a limit. That's me.
This kind of gives you more fulfillment and a purpose. You know, I feel more like a whole person, even though I can't do all the hiking and all that. I can sure see the beauty in it and take that and enjoy what the end of my life's going to be, because I've always wanted to see it and travel, and you know, that's my dream.
There are a lot of what ifs, and most of them are fears. What if this happens? What if that happens? To me, the thing I fear the most is what if I get to the end of my life and I didn't do it?
Exactly.
What if I didn't do it?
You might as well do that makes you happy.
Yeah,
That's what
whatever
life's
it is.
about.
Whatever it is. Sweet. Okay, thanks everybody for watching all the way to the end, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Jan.